A very warm welcome to everyone. Thank you for being here today for this webinar. Our agenda for today's discussion is how to align sales and marketing using CRM as a hub. I am Asaf Ahmed, a senior project delivery manager at Propel Guru. Today in this educational webinar, you will learn how to gain momentum in their business by aligning sales and marketing team. But before we move ahead, I would like Ashwarya to introduce herself.
Thank you, Asif. Hey everyone, I'm Aishwarya Annar. I'm a content writer at Propel Guru. So before we begin with this knowledge-packed webinar, it would be an honor to introduce Propel Guru before you all. Propel Guru is a full-fledged sales and digital marketing agency that helps customers generate revenue by helping them improve their SEO, PPC, email marketing, lead generation, and social media marketing results. We offer a wide range of services, including creative development, SEO and content strategy, digital marketing strategy, analytics and auditing, social media marketing, SEM and SEO, email marketing, and lead generation.
Now, without further ado, let's get started. So, the agenda of today's webinar is sales and marketing alignment sales organized around buyer persona alignment for transparency and accountability with CRM managed customer relationship with S marketing maintain alignment standards with sales and marketing. Why CRM to your business?
Well, customer relationship management builds relationships with customers. It helps in creating loyalty and customer retention. Therefore, it helps maximize business profits through customer loyalty and revenue, directly affecting its revenue. It entails the activities, methods, and technology that helps businesses employ to manage their contacts with present and prospective clients. CRM software delivers a simple user interface for data collection, allowing organizations to recognize and engage with consumers on a scalable basis.
See, customer relationship management is a straightforward process, okay? It can, however, be deployed in a variety of ways. It can be website, social media, phone calls, even chat, mails, emails, and a variety of marketing materials can be incorporated as a CRM solution. See, as a result, CRM is beneficial to larger firms because of its diversity. And see, utilizing and maintaining a CRM solution provides the foundation for a scalable sales and marketing strategy. Maintaining a record of which interactions, transactions, and marketing materials may be linked to leads and customers is beneficial to any business. CRM fulfills the purpose in several methods, which are detailed below. CRM enables organization to understand more about their consumers, such as who they are, why they buy your products, as well as patterns in their purchasing power histories. As a result, businesses may better anticipate their consumers' demands and meet them. Using client relationship management well can also give you a strategic advantage. Well organized consumer data, for example, aids organization in selecting appropriate receivers for promotion and new items.
Now comes organizations. CRM helps companies become more productive by organizing and automating key areas for their operation. For instance, CRM automates and streamlines corporate activities ranging from sales to marketing campaigns to business analytics and consumer data. This enables businesses to structure their processes into more detailed, easy to understand data. And now, with optimization, finally, CRM software enables companies to manage their client contacts better. CRM improves customer satisfaction by simplifying and streamlining many of the more complicated customer interaction activities.
CRM is a fantastic tool for businesses to improve customer satisfaction, efficiency, and revenue. CRM is available in various topics and application, allowing it to be tailored to nearly any industry. As a result, almost every organization may benefit from CRM software, and it is far better to begin utilizing one before it becomes required. When deciding which CRM solution to use, businesses must examine their operations and sales process. What information about your customers is relevant to your sales process? How many times do you generally contact a customer before they make a purchase? To your organization, how crucial is a repeat business. As a business owner, failing to investigate your CRM choice could be a huge mistake.
Well, sales and marketing differ in that sales focus on working directly with prospects to convert them, whereas marketing focus on generating interest in your product. In essence, marketing is the initial stage in piquing a lead's interest, while sales are responsible for nurturing that interest. Process, you establish essential facts such as who you are, what you offer, and how much it costs during the marketing process. Then you develop your brand, show off what you have to offer, and explain how you can solve their problems and elevate their pain spots. During the sales process, you should concentrate on taking the information your audience already knows and adding to it and answering any questions they may have. Then, as a follow up, on providing compelling selling points, customized solutions, and persuasive pitches to persuade leads to convert.
Goals. When it comes to sales versus marketing, the objectives are slightly different. When it comes to sales, the goal is to increase conversions. Your sales team is responsible for nurturing leads into the customers. The marketing objectives are a bit different. While marketing might focus on sales, its primary purpose is to promote and communicate the value of your organization, product, service, or brand. While sharing the value might help you generate sales, you must first build brand trust through marketing. Strategies, when you compare marketing with sales, you'll see that the strategies are somewhat different. Direct contact and connection with your prospect are the emphasis of any sales strategy. To engage prospect and persuade them to convert your employee or any phone calls, promotional events, and networking. Because your contact, or I would say prospect, these are known as outbound strategies.
Well, on the other hand, marketing techniques are mostly focused on getting prospects to contact you. To persuade prospects to contact you about your product or service, you employ paid marketing, social media marketing, and SEO techniques. Because the lead comes to you, these are known as inbound marketing methods. Prospects, they are another distinction between marketing and sales. First, you know your prospect in sales. Second, you know who is interested in your product or service, from their name to their phone number. So you can swiftly contact them and give them the information to help you sell them more.
Marketing, on the other side, is concerned with attracting new customers. You have a general concept of who your target audience is, but you don't know who they are. So, marketing focuses on reaching out to those who are most interested so that your sales team may convert them into prospective or leads. A marketing funnel, also known as growth funnel, is a series of steps taken by a potential customer before making a purchase. These stages begin with awareness and accumulate with conversion, which might include purchasing your product, or it can be solution, or engaging in post-purchase activity. It's a method of breaking down the client experience till you reach the objective you set for your base. It's a method of breaking down the client experience till you reach the objective you set for yourself based on your business strategy.
Because consumer behavior is evolving in purchasing decisions, it is practically difficult for firms to develop without an internet marketing funnel. Everyday business leaders and consumers search the internet for answers to their problems, and your digital funnel is the key to getting your company in the front of them. A good marketing funnel builds trust between the customer and the company. After visiting your business for the first time, it's doubtful that a prospect will be compelled to buy from you. You haven't earned their trust and you haven't behavior reasons, giving them a reason to want or need your product or service. You must persuade them that by choosing your company, they are making a wise investment. This can be accomplished through the use of an inbound marketing funnel. Well, that said, prospects will learn about your company through this marketing funnel.
Now let me explain how a marketing funnel works. Everyone starts with a marketing funnel. The rate at which these people progress down the funnel is determined by their interest in the content you have to give your quench their hunger for additional information. Businesses often acquire more varied audience at the top of the funnel. Companies that want to diversify and usually those that want to raise their brand's visibility. From the standpoint of an online funnel, the type of material you post at the top of the horn will determine who you want to sell and those whose problem and solution will appeal to them. As you nurture prospect along the funnel, you are narrowing it down to the most qualified candidates. This leaves you with only most enthusiastic options with whom you can quickly convert into clients. You'll be able to narrow your marketing funnel as prospect progress through the buyer's journey if you use an effective marketing funnel. As a result, the lead that exit the marketing funnel are better qualified, resulting in higher sales efficiency.
Tailored content strategy allows you to target and narrow down your prospects. Businesses may nurture their prospects along the digital marketing funnel until they are ready to engage with your sales team using the content and marketing automation. Those prospects who have reached the decision stage of the buyer's journey are those who have an immediate need. These guarantees that your sales team deals with well informed opportunities, often past this research stage, and has a pressing need. Now let's discuss about S marketing.
The term S marketing is a combination of the words opportunities, behavior, reasons, giving evaluations, pitch, and follow. For example, marketing, it's a corporate strategy in which sales and marketing team work together to develop a cohesive plan. The purpose of S marketing processes is for two groups to form a strong bond based on shared goals and coherent approach to achieving them. S marketing is the process of companies' sales and marketing processes becomes integrated. The goal is for sales and marketing to be completely aligned to achieve common goals and increase revenue.
So, what does S marketing mean for your business growth? It's a framework for setting quantifiable targets that your sales and marketing teams agree to meet, preferably as part of a service level agreement. A streamlined lead creation process allows you to measure, create, disseminate, and follow up on potential customers. When it comes to corporate information, needed contact information and structure or data alignment across used platforms like CRM and marketing automation is critical. When sales and marketing agree on the detailed description of the ideal customer, the perfect customer profile framework becomes more effective. Account score has improved as a result of company wide agreement on what constitutes your ideal customer profile. CRM and S marketing alignment.
The holy grail of marketing and sales team everywhere is alignment. It is frequently sought after yet rarely obtained. It's easy to see why productive and efficient teams are aligned. It's not uncommon to find a company, large or small, where the sales of marketing department are in command. Developing standard definitions, sharing goals and metrics, lead management, lead nurturing, efforts, lead evaluation, and using streamlined processes are all examples of alignment. In addition, an organization marketing to sales alignment can be improved by implementing the correct customer relationship management, or I would say a CRM software. A customer relation management system allows a business to track and analyze client interaction throughout the customer life cycle to improve connection, convert leads, nurture sales, and aid customers' retention.
Align your goals. Successful firms build bridges between rigidly divided divisions by engaging with sales and marketing to design lead generation, sales nurturing, and scoring strategies. Then, rather than working with individual goals with ambiguous expectations of one another, the teams can start collaborating to develop ideas, eliminate bottlenecks, and improve the company's grasp of its customer base.
Nurture your leads. A CRM can provide sales team with more data to evaluate, pitch, and follow up sales prospect. When a lead enters the CRM for the first time, there may be a little valuable information about their interests, pain points, issues, goals, company size, and purchasing authority. Lead may, however, gradually disclose more information about themselves and their interests over time if marketing automation is used. This information can be used at any point during the sales process. There may be other processes required after lead is acquired before it is passed on to a sales team. See, receiving leads that have not been cultivated or vetted can be frustrating for sales team, and that is obvious. Leads can be reviewed, nurtured, and segmented by integrating marketing automation software into a company's CRM system. See, marketing and sales team will be able to make better judgments with the leads in their system by enhancing the data obtained on a lead. For example, the early income of the organization, let's say the role and title of any contact, pain issues, solution and interest, and the decision making stage are all valid data points.
So, now when it comes to automating, everything improved targeting can be achieved by sharing knowledge between marketing and sales department. If sales interactions influenced marketing efforts more effectively, marketers would target the right purchasers with the correct value proposition. See, many tools and approaches can help with marketing and sales integrations. For example, CRMs are critical in bridging the marketing and sales divide. Without customer relationship management and marketing automation technologies, you won't be able to make long term gains in your sales and marketing processes. Automation, according to Salesforce, may help firms boost marketing ROI and overall growth behavior. Salesforce clients experience a 25% improvement in marketing ROI after implementing CRM software.
All CRM automate a variety of administrative processes and tasks that were previously done by hand. Sending meeting links automatically schedules meeting to personalize your message and appeal to their specific need. Customize email template for each prospect. Filter your prospect according to how you work by industry, company size, or custom field. Create automated campaigns using pre-programmed actions. It's best to set it and forget it. The software can automatically sync all emails so you can refer to a paper trail later. Find any customer's information and history very quickly. Identify which prospect have kicked a few tires in the past and focus your effort on the most valuable leads. Lead scores are calculated on all platforms and the highest value prospects are identified.
Well, few things are to be kept in mind. Like have a customer persona. When your CRM is linked to a S marketing automation system, you'll notice that 1 plus 1 equals to 3. You'll be able to see which pages on your website your prospects are visiting, what types of information they are interested in, and where they are in the purchase cycle. These steps will assist you in polishing and fine tuning your S marketing strategies.
Having a single customer journey, CRM software brings together all of our customers' information in one place. For example, it gives you accurate information about your customer's most recent purchase, any complaints, any new purchases, whether your prospect has visited your website. So, if your sales staff has pitched to the product to them, and so on. As a result, the CRM software availability of all information in a single platform allows the marketing and sales team to access all the leads contact information. The CRM software also adds valuable the CRM software also adds information to lead contact valuable profile for the company's history, competitors, and interactions with the brand.
Avoid duplicate efforts. Like marketing and sales can see the same picture from where each visitor, prospect, marketing, or sales qualified lead is in the buyer's journey. Thanks to the automated features of CRM software, this allows sales to target outreach to interested clients better, while marketing tailors content efforts. A CRM can assist sales team in closing transactions and spot new possibilities by increasing sales conversion rates. In addition, The company that uses a CRM to align its sales and marketing team will be able to more agile and productive due to real-time data and streamlined procedures.
Interdepartmental communication. The primary goal of a business is to stay in the marketing of an extended length of time. Therefore, you must coordinate your team members from a different department if you want them to operate together. Interdepartmental conflicts can arise as a result of miscommunication or lack of communication among team members. Marketing and sales can improve their efficiency in their job with the use of shared work management software. The CRM software also helps in the tracking of marketing and sales outreach strategies.
Having a retention strategy in mind, utilizing your marketing automation system to nurture existing prospects via email, newsletters, and other touchpoints. Targeted email can also be used to reconnect with leads that have become dormant over the time. In addition, you'll be able to see how your prospect interact with your emails, including open, click-through rates, and content views. Identify engaged prospects quickly using predefined actions like website page visits, sales material downloads, demo requests, and contact form submissions for a free ebook or white paper. You can mark the prospect for follow-up with your sales team once you have recognized them.
After integrating the sales and marketing department with the CRM, obtaining customer feedback can be one of the most crucial and beneficial parts. For example, the marketing team might produce new messages to refine the goods or services provided after the sales representative has acquired feedback regarding the customer's pain areas during sales call. It becomes simple for both teams to understand where each lead is the sales cycle by mapping the buyer's journey. As a result, there will be no doubt about communicating with the customer in the future. You can also learn what your customers like and dislike about your product and services.
So, coming to a conclusion, that's all for today's webinar. We hope you understand the significance of aligning your sales and marketing teams with CRM as it helps your business optimize revenue. There is not one but many benefits to aligning sales and marketing with your CRM. As explained thoroughly, I hope we could address all your queries and have motivated you to align sales and marketing with CRM. The correct CRM can aid in the alignment of marketing and sales, resulting in gaining an advantage over your competitors by increasing the overall deal value, by improving lead quality and determining which leads are most promising and should be pursued further. As a result, upselling chances can be improved, and so much more.
It was a complete pleasure being with each of you today. Thanks again for joining us in today's discussion, and we look forward to seeing you next time with our excellent upcoming webinar. And if you have any questions related to this webinar, please feel free to connect via email, and further details are given below in the description. Also, if some of you have missed out on something, then don't worry. Soon we'll be uploading this webinar on our YouTube channel along with the description. Till then, bye everyone, stay safe and stay healthy.